The Samsung Galaxy S21 FE is back in the headlines, and it's all thanks to the mother of all the leaks. Virtually everything imaginable about the Galaxy S21 FE has just been leaked via WinFuture. So in this video, we are going to talk about all the specification and the launch date of the S21 FE. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So guys, Samsung Galaxy S21 FE is the next affordable flagship level device that is coming from Samsung on the CES in January, which make the S21 FE as one of the important device of 2022. So starting from the specification of the device, we have a 6.4-inch of flat dynamic AMOLED 2x Infinity O display with a resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixel and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. And the display is also protected by Gorilla Glass Victus, which is obviously going to be one of the strongest glass protection right now available. Also, we are going to see a 32 megapixel of a front-facing camera, and the front is also coming with an in-display fingerprint scanner as well. We are also going to be seeing the IP68 water and dust resistance in the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. Moving on towards the back side, we have a triple camera setup, just like the S21 and S21 Plus. It's basically coming with a triple camera setup on the back side, like it has the same camera sensor of 12 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 12 megapixel of telephoto camera with the 3x of optical zoom. All of these three camera sensors are coming with an optical image stabilization support inside and can record 4K videos at 30 frames per second. This is obviously going to be not the extraordinary camera sensor in that particular device. These camera sensor we have already seen in the S20 FE last year. And moving forward towards the internal side, we have one of the important thing is the Snapdragon 888 processor inside the device, which is obviously going to be one of the best processor in terms of the pricing that this device is going to be launching. And the other detail we have is the 6GB and 128GB of internal storage. The other option we have is the 8GB and 256GB of internal storage. Unfortunately, the micro SD card slot has been removed from the S21 FE, which was definitely a great option for the fan edition, and right now it's not in the S21 FE. Is definitely disappointment for many of the Samsung fans. As far as the battery capacity is concerned, it's coming with a 4500 milliamp of a battery, and a 25 watt of a charging brick is also expected to be supported by this device. Another thing that is also being removed and disappointment for many of the fans, including myself, is the removal of the 3.5mm headphone jack support inside the S21 FE. Finally, about the pricing of the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE is that the base model is coming with a 749 euros, whereas the 256GB model will cost you around 819 euros. However, these prices haven't been set in the store yet and are subject to change, and we can expect the lower pricing as far as the US is concerned. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this new device? Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Peace.